Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you through connecting your Olarm Pro 4G onto various panels. Let's get into it. With the included cable, you get two ends. You'll see one of them is a 4-pin and one of them is a 5-pin. On the back of the Olarm unit, you'll also see there's a few options. There's universal, paradox and output. You will note that the universal is a 4-pin, paradox is a 5-pin and the output is a 4-pin. Unit is slotted, can only go in one way. On the other side, on the 4-pin as well, it's slotted. For connecting your Olarm Pro to a plus panel, make sure that your user code or master code is not the default 1234, so make sure that you change that. We will now connect your Olarm Pro onto serial 1. With your unit, you get one of these throttle guides and LED states, so you can follow along what the Olarm is doing. So at the moment, it's booting up. Unit is now connecting to the panel. We have a solid blue light, which means it's connected and all is okay.